show you how we navigate around the IronTree version 2 reseller platform. The first thing you want to do is navigate to this web address, loveyourdata.za.irontree.cloud, and then log in with your reseller platform credentials. I've set up two-factor authentication on this account, so I need to enter the code displayed on my mobile phone. Once we've done that, we'll then get access to the reseller platform management console. The first thing we're going to see is a list of all of my IronTree version 2 accounts and the name of the companies associated to those accounts. We get a quick overview of the environment for each customer, so the customer name, the status of the account, and then the amount of data they're protecting across how many workloads. If I click on the overview option on the top left, I then get a summary of the usage. Now this is across my entire customer base. So across all of my customers, they're protecting 563 gigs of data, and there are 10 protected workloads. A workload is a device that has a protection plan applied to it. If I click on operations will show a dashboard with a bunch of widgets, and these widgets start to report across my entire customer base according to the type of information the widget is displaying. I can add more widgets by clicking on add widget and then scrolling through the widgets that are available for me. If I click on users on the left hand side, these are the users that have access to my reseller platform. This will typically be your internal employees. We can see here there's a list of 3 users. All 3 of them are active. They have two-factor authentication configured. That's their username and then their role. If I wanted to add a new user to my reseller platform, I would click on new, user, enter the username, enter the employee's email address, their first name, last name, and then their level of access. So if I wanted them to be a company administrator, I can click on company administrator, or if I just wanted them to have access to the management platform, I would untick these options at the bottom here and then just leave management portal enabled. Now further to that, I can either make them an administrator or a read-only administrator. Once we've entered all of these credentials and configured the user access, we can click on create. That user will then get an email asking them to activate their account and set up their password as well as their two-factor authentication. If I wanted to service one of my IronTree version 2 customer accounts from my reseller platform, I can do so by navigating to clients on the left hand side. This will then display a list of my IronTree version 2 customer accounts. Once I've identified the account that I want to service, I can click on the company name, which will then take me to an overview page of this customer's environment. So we can see they're protecting 22 gigs of data, and that's across 5 different workloads or devices. Now because I've navigated to a specific customer's account, my options on the left hand side here will give me information about this customer specifically. So if I click on users here, I will get a list of the customer user accounts that have access to this specific customer's backup console. If I wanted to access this customer's backup console to service them, I can click on overview and then manage service. This will redirect me to the customer's backup console, where I can then start performing tasks such as adding new data to the backup plan or running recoveries on these devices. Once I'm done servicing this account, I can then click on manage account, which will redirect me back to the reseller platform.